This is how you use the dollar cost average feature with Dupe.ag. At Dupe.ag, just click on DCA Set and Forget. Now we can decide what we want to buy or sell. With dollar cost average, what you're doing is you're splitting up whatever you want to buy or sell over a period of time. So as an example, I have some USDC here, $54 worth, and I want to buy, let's say, some Dupe. Click on Dupe. I'm going to allocate $50. Now, how often should I buy it? Let's say every 6 hours. And maybe I want to do 10 orders. There is a minimum size per order. We can see at the moment, we have 5 USDC per order. If I change this to 100 orders, you can see the minimum is $3 per order. So back to 10, then start DCA. We have a Solana gas fee, and our USDC will leave our wallet and it'll be locked in the smart contracts of Jupiter. The start time is now, the estimated end date is the 21st of April, and there is a very small platform fee, 0.1%, which goes to Dupe. If we come down to our active DCAs, we can see all the information here. If we want to close and withdraw, click on this button. This will return some SOL and our USDC. And once the transactions go through, we'll see them in our orders section. We can also go to past DCAs. I have one past DCA here, and this was me buying some SOL. If we have a look at orders, we can see I bought some SOL just recently. I'd scheduled the buying for once every minute. If we have a look at the orders, we can see they went through once every 2 minutes. There is still some congestion on the Solana blockchain. Now let's enable a pricing strategy. I want to allocate, let's say, 4 SOL. I want to buy some USDC. We'll do it every 6 hours for 10 orders, and we're going to change and turn on enable pricing strategy. Toggle this on, and let's set a minimum price. If the price falls in this range between $400, and at the moment, Solana's nowhere near $400, and between $500, it will start to sell my SOL for USDC. We'll click Start DCA, and we'll confirm the transaction. Now we can go down the bottom, click on Active DCAs. Now after a refresh, we can see here, SOL USDC. This will just sit here until the parameters are met, and then it will start selling. And that's how you use Jupiter's DCA feature. Nothing's financial advice, but you may want to take some USDC and buy a little bit of Dupe or a little bit of Solana, maybe just $5 every day. The benefits with DCA means that you can buy a little bit every day. As an example, if you started in January, you'd be buying some under $100, buy, and you'd be buying in this different range, as opposed to maybe you decide to buy some at $130, and then maybe you buy some at $169. Maybe you get excited and buy some at $200. When we can see in the past, it's better to buy a little bit every day to average out everything. By the way, when the DCA orders are filled, it goes directly into your wallet. You do not have to do any claims whatsoever. Now go try out the DCA feature.